Let's compare Bitcoin, gold, and fiat currencies using the primary properties of money. Which one will take the throne? Number 1. Money should be easily divided into smaller units of value. One Bitcoin is divisible into 100 million units called satoshis, or sats. This is much like how $1 is divisible into 100 pennies. Gold, while technically divisible, would require shaving particles of gold off of coins or bars, which would be a complete pain in the arse. Number 2. Durability. Money should not be easily destructible. Bitcoin, which lives on tens of thousands of computers worldwide, cannot be destroyed. Similarly, gold is known for its durability. Both are more enduring than physical cash, which can be shredded or incinerated. Number 3. Money needs to be easily transportable. Any amount of Bitcoin can be sent globally in minutes at a low cost. This surpasses fiat currency, which involves fees, days of processing, no weekend payments, and potential questioning or denial. Gold is also difficult to transport, especially in large quantities. Number 4. Fungibility. One unit of money must be interchangeable with another. Bitcoin units are consistent and interchangeable, comparable to fiat and pure gold. Number 5. Money must be limited in supply, or hard and costly to produce to maintain its value long term. The supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins, making it scarcer than fiat currency, which has no supply limit and can be created without cost, and gold, whose supply increases at a steady rate and is produced faster when the price increases. Number 6. It must be easy to check whether the money is genuine or fake. Bitcoin transactions are easily validated on the blockchain, offering an advantage over fiat and gold, which require physical scrutiny or third-party verification. Unlike fiat and gold, Bitcoin cannot be counterfeited. To sum it up, Bitcoin scores higher than fiat and gold in many of these properties, making it an arguably better form of money. In fairness, one thing Bitcoin lacks is a long track record, as it's only 15 years old. But in its 15-year history, the network has been functioning properly nearly flawlessly, with the exception of a few hiccups early on. Since 2013, the network has experienced 100% uptime. Please watch my full Bitcoin explanation video, as this was just a little snippet.